According to the social scientists, there are about 6 billion people on this earth right now. 6 billion people. On Yom al-Qiyamah, on the day of judgment, Allah will say to our father Adam, alayhi salatu wassalam, take out all the people that's going to go to hellfire. Listen, Ismail, take all the people that's going to go to hellfire. Adam will say, how many? How many people will go to hellfire? You want to go to Jannah? Let me tell you your odds. You have to know your odds. What's the chance of me going to Jannah? What's the chance of me going to go to paradise? What's the chance? So Allah told Adam, take all the people to go to hell. How many? Ismail, listen. Min kulli awfin, from every 1,000, tis'atin wa tis'in. 999 to hell and 1 to paradise. You didn't hear what I just said. How many people going to hell? Out of every 1,999 will go to hell. You didn't hear what I said. How many people will go to hell? Out of every 1,999 will go to hell, and 1 will go to paradise. The prophet said that to his companions. You know what they did? They were very sad. Like some of you should be sad right now. So, oh my goodness, 1 out of 1,000, what's my chances? And the prophet sensed that they felt sad. And then he said this. Wallahi. He said, Wallahi, I swear by Allah in whose hand my life is. Inni arju an takunu nifsa ahli jannah. He said, I hope that you, my ummah, will be half of the people of paradise. Qalu kabarna. They said, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. They became very excited. There's some chance now.